G'day everybody, I wanted to show you a quick tip about Google Slides that involves the order of the items on each slide. So if we think about each slide as being kind of like a scrapbook page, and the elements that you put on them are laid down in the order that you put them on, and each one is in a different layer in front of other ones. And so that way, if I take this image and I drag it over here, it's in front of certain text boxes, but it's behind other ones that were added after the image was put in there. So I'll press Control Z and remove that back to where it should be. Now, sometimes it won't matter because your elements won't interact like this slide here. Most of them are all in their separate space. But every now and then you want elements to interact and you want one to be in front of the other. So we're going to look at the ordering of that. So I've put a Bitmoji in here of me inspecting something. So if I put it here and I want it to inspect the dog from the Phantom Toll Booth and I drop it, I'll notice that it's disappeared because it's behind that image. And I actually now can't click on that Bitmoji and I've lost it. Now I'll press Control Z to get it back. What I want to do is show you this shortcut. To change the order of it, hold down Control and then use the up arrow to bring it forward, and you can always press the down arrow to send it away. So if I press the up arrow once and drag it in, do you think it's going to appear? No, I only put it up one layer and it actually needs to go up quite a few layers. So the easy thing to do now is to scroll down, click on my Bitmoji, press Control, up, 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 up until it goes all the way. You can also right click and go to Order and say bring it forward, which is one layer, or bring it to the front, which is also Control Shift forward. So now that I've done that, I can drag my Bitmoji in and it will appear right where I want it in front of things. So feel free to use that ordering so that you can make layers of things and have your elements interact as needed. Awesome. Happy Googling, everybody.